Good morning and good vibes. We are kicking off our morning out here with an improvised bodyweight workout before we get our day started. But then breakfast and then shrines and cycling. It's turning out to be a beautiful day. We've got blue skies outside. So we're gonna get to it. I had to improvise a pull-up bar, and the bathroom was the closest thing I could find. Breakfast. Second breakfast.
Three-speed gears, same system for standard bike.
Oh.
Same system, just three-speed gears.
For the gears,
Yeah.
okay.
Is it fun, dude? Oh, dude, I want to try. Come back, let me do it. Dude, is it rad?
Vroom, vroom, vroom. When you actually pedal, it's like...
Yeah, let me try.
Oh, he's gone.
That's so fun. Oh,
It's like vroom, vroom.
Are we doing electric
I'm
there?
down, yeah, I'm super down.
Dude, you want to try?
Oh, yeah.
Dude. You're gonna have to excuse my stoke level. I'm really excited. We got to try out these electric bikes, and they're fun, dude. They're so fun. We had to have a big breakfast today because we were cycling the entire day to check out all the shrines and the sites. Oh. I'm pumped. Bikes have that special place for me because when I was a kid, like most kids, bikes were the first real sense of freedom that I got to have. And so every time I get on a bike, I have that sense of nostalgia of just freedom. So we are gonna freely explore this amazing city on these really fun zippy bikes. We're here at Fushimi Inari Taisha. This is one of the most beautiful, iconic shrines that I've ever been to. I don't have anything to say, man. It's orange.
That's true.
That's true. Lego. Since the two of us have already been here, we're not really antsy to get towards the top. We're just here for Theo. Then once he's done, we're done, and we're gonna go check out some more shrines. In the meantime, we're hoping to get some pretty fun particulars. That does it for this shrine. We also sadly have to say bye to Theo, but Shelly and I are going to be taking off for some more shrines. Safe travels, dude.
Yeah, you guys.
Say goodbye, but I gotta make the first move, 'cause if I don't, you're gonna start hating me.
Dude, this place is huge. We're gonna stop and get some hot drink out of this vending machine. Their vending machines have hot and cold options. It's cold, we're gonna get a hot option. Simple math. We're on the move. It's golden hour right now, and it is gorgeous. I don't think this GoPro's gonna do it justice. Yay! That's impressive. I'm trying to catch the tail ends of this sunset, so we're just going upwards. Some kind of castle with those colors. That's rad.